There's a house in Quebec right now. 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, 545 square feet. Built in 1960. Good structural condition. Solid bones. Asphalt shingle roof. The asking price? $12,000. $12,000. That's less than a used Honda Civic. That's less than 1 semester of university tuition. That's less than what some people in Toronto pay for parking per year. Today, we're looking at 5 properties across Saskatchewan and Quebec, all under $50,000, all in towns where the price of owning has dropped below what most Canadians pay in a few months of rent, all in communities with paved streets, schools, and hockey rinks. Every listing is real, every MLS number is verified, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why these homes cost what they cost, what the real opportunities look like, and whether any of them are actually worth it. Let's start at the top. Number 5. Leader, Saskatchewan, $50,000. Leader has a story that most prairie towns don't. While communities across rural Saskatchewan have been watching their populations quietly shrink, Leader has been growing. The population sits at 881 as of the 2021 census, up 2.1% from 863 in 2016. The town has a hospital, a real one, right in town at 423 Main Street East, with a 24-hour emergency room. It has a school, a grocery store, a gas station, a Lions Park, and a swimming pool. It sits roughly 153 kilometers from Swift Current, about an hour and a half by road. This is a functioning town, not a village holding on, which brings us to 218 First Street East, a 1-story bungalow on a freehold lot of 75 by 115 feet, 8,625 square feet, fenced, treed, and with a garden area. The home offers 948 square feet, 2 bedrooms, and 1 4-piece bathroom. Step into the large enclosed porch at 6.5 by 6.5. Plenty of room to shed the Saskatchewan winter before you enter. The kitchen has plenty of cupboard space at nearly 11 by 9. The dining room at nearly 12 by 10 sits just off the kitchen and opens directly into a large living room at 16 by 14. That living room is over 225 square feet, which is a generous usable space. The primary bedroom is 11.5 by 10.5. The second bedroom is 10 and 2 by 8 and 2/3. There is also a laundry room at nearly 11 by 9. Main floor laundry, not a closet. The partial basement is unfinished, housing the furnace and water heater with storage. Natural gas forced air heating. Wall unit air conditioning for summer. Detached garage at the end of a spacious driveway with 4 parking spaces total. Appliances included: fridge, stove, washer, dryer, and window coverings. The home was built in 1951, which makes it 74 years old. This property has been on the market for 11 days. Annual property tax is $1,578. The town has Leader Hospital right at 423 Main Street East, a 24-hour emergency room in town. That's not something most properties on today's list can say. Leader has grocery, gas, school, Lions Park, and a swimming pool within walking distance of this property. Now the reality check. Here's what makes Leader different from every other town on today's list. The population is growing and the hospital is in town. At $50,000 for 948 square feet with a fenced garden lot, a detached garage, main floor laundry, port, and a living room that's over 225 square feet in a town with a 24-hour emergency room, this is the most serviced community on today's list at the lowest end of the Canadian real estate market. Natural gas forced air heating in 948 square feet will run $250 to $350 per month at peak Saskatchewan winter, 11 days on market. At this price in a growing town with a hospital, that's a short window. Who this is for? Anyone who wants a freehold home in a functioning, growing prairie town with a hospital in town and a garden lot big enough to actually use. Retirees who need medical access close by and want to own outright for less than most people pay in 6 months of rent. Remote workers who want space. 948 square feet, a garage, a laundry room, and a fenced yard. In a town that's holding its own. Number 4, Burstall, Saskatchewan. $40,000. Let's start with something on this one, because it changes how you look at the price. Burstall sits just inside the Saskatchewan-Alberta border. What makes Burstall unusual in today's rural Saskatchewan context is the same thing that makes Leader unusual. The population is growing. The town sits at 302 people as of the 2021 census, up 8.6% from 278 in 2016. 8.6% growth in 5 years. In a region where most communities are shrinking, Burstall is moving in the opposite direction. It sits roughly 140 kilometers from Swift Current, about 2 hours by road. The town has a school, basic services, and the kind of quiet, friendly character that small border communities tend to develop over decades. Now here's what $40,000 buys you in a place like this. So a one-story bungalow on a freehold 50 by 120-foot lot, 6,000 square feet, with a detached single-car garage and a partially fenced yard with underground sprinklers. The home offers 884 square feet, 2 bedrooms, and 1 4-piece bathroom. The main floor is in excellent condition, the listing's words, and the layout backs that up. The living room stretches 24.5 by 12 1/3. That is a genuinely large living room for a home at this price point, over 300 square feet of open space. The kitchen is 14.5 by 12 2/3, an eat-in size. Bedroom 1 is 12 2/3 by 11. Bedroom 2 is 11.5 by 9 1/3. The 4-piece bathroom is 7 5/6 by 4 5/6. Fresh paint throughout. A sparkling, clean appearance. Natural gas forced air heating. The home was built in 1965, which makes it 60 years old. The full basement under this home is unfinished. It needs work, but it is a full basement, the same footprint as the entire main floor. 884 square feet of potential living space sitting below ground, waiting. The listing puts it directly. The right person could fix the basement and increase the usable living space of this property twofold. This property has been on the market for 19 days. Annual property tax is $1,479. The nearest hospital is in Swift Current, roughly 140 kilometers away, about 2 hours by road. Burstall has a school and basic community services. Now the reality check: a growing town, a clean move-in ready main floor, a living room over 300 square feet, a full unfinished basement with the potential to double the usable square footage, a garage, underground sprinklers, all for $40,000. Natural gas forced air heating in 884 square feet will run $250 to $350 per month at peak. Who this is for? Anyone who wants a move-in ready main floor in a growing Saskatchewan border community with the option to expand the living space significantly over time. Remote workers or retirees who want natural gas heat, a garage, a large living room, and a yard with underground sprinklers for less than most Canadians spend on a car. Number 3, 222nd Street East, Lafleche, Saskatchewan, $25,000. Lafleche is a prairie town built by farming and rail, and it has held on better than many of its neighbors of Free. The population sits at 373 as of 2021, down just 2.4% from 382 in 2016. Modest, stable, the kind of decline that speaks to gradual change rather than exodus. The streets are paved. The boulevards are treed. The town has a K-12 school, a curling rink, a hockey rink, a splash park, a museum, and a campground. Lafleche sits 206 kilometers from Regina, about 2.5 hours by road, which brings us to 222nd Street East, a one-story bungalow on 3 lots totaling 8,625 square feet, 75 feet of frontage, treed, rectangular. The home offers 632 square feet, 1 bedroom on the main floor and a bonus room on the second floor that the seller used as a bedroom. 1 bathroom. The layout: a laundry room at 9 by 5 1/3, a kitchen at nearly 11 by 9, a bedroom at 9 and 1 by 13.5, a living room at 11.5 by 13 1/3, and a den at nearly 6 by 11 1/4. Upstairs, a second den at 7 2/3 by nearly 11. The partial basement is unfinished. The home was built in 1920, which makes it 105 years old. Heating is natural gas. 2 parking spaces. Annual property tax is $923. This property has been on the market for 1 day. Now, the reality check. A 105-year-old home on 3 lots in a stable prairie town 10 minutes from a lake with natural gas heating and a second-floor bonus bedroom, all for $25,000. Natural gas heating in 632 square feet will run $250 to $350 per month at peak Saskatchewan winter. 1 day on the market, this one just listed this morning. Who this is for? Anyone who wants freehold land in a stable prairie town at the floor of the Canadian market. Remote workers or retirees who want space, quiet, and ownership. Not just a house, but a footprint. For the price of a used car. Before we get to number 2, one more thing. The next property is the neighbor. Same street, same seller, same town. And between the two of them, 2 additional lots available to whoever buys either one. 2 homes, 4 lots, 1 street in Lafleche. Keep that in mind. Number 2, 214 2nd Street East, Lafleche, Saskatchewan. $15,000, same street, same seller, same town. This property at 214 2nd Street East is a 1-story bungalow on 2 lots, totaling 4,312 square feet, 37.5 feet of frontage, treed, irregular lot. The home offers 467 square feet, 1 bedroom, and 1 4-piece bathroom. The layout, a bedroom at 9 and 2 by 11 and 2, a living room at 11 and 1 by 9 and 10. Say dining room at 5 2/3 by 9, a kitchen at 9 and 1 by 5 and 1, and a 4-piece bathroom at 6 and 1 by nearly 12. A crawl space below, no usable basement. The home was built in 1913, which makes it 112 years old. The listing is honest about what's here and what isn't. There is no furnace, there is no electrical panel, though the seller has provided a panel with a cover that needs to be installed by the new owner. There is a propane water heater, and the seller has offered to exchange it for an electric water heater. Annual property tax is $914. 2 parking spaces. This property has been on the market for 1 day. The listing itself puts it plainly. This is a home with lots of potential, suitable for someone handy. And then it adds the detail that changes the whole picture. 10 minutes from Thompson Lake. The same lake that's 10 minutes from the $25,000 property next door. Same seller, same street. And remember, the 2 lots between these 2 properties are also for sale to whoever buys either one, which means a buyer who wanted to could potentially acquire 214,220 and the 2 lots between them. 4 parcels on the same street in the same town for a combined price that still wouldn't buy a parking spot in downtown Toronto. Now, the reality check. It's a 112-year-old prairie home that has survived 11 decades of Saskatchewan winters. It was built to last, and it's still standing. The listing itself says build your dream home 10 minutes from a lakeside park. At $15,000 for 2 lots with a structure already in place, that framing is not wrong. Who this is for? Anyone who wants 2 lots in a stable prairie town near a lake for the price of a weekend at a ski resort. The person who looked at 222nd Street next door and thought, what if I could have both? Number 1, Saint-Valérien, Quebec, $12,000. Let's start with something on this one, because it reframes everything about the price. Saint-Valérien is a municipality in the Bas-Saint-Laurent region of Quebec, forestry and agriculture country, where the landscape rolls and the winters are serious. Here's what makes Saint-Valérien stand out in the context of rural Quebec. The population is growing. 906 people as of 2021, up 8.5% from 835 in 2016. The Hôtel-Dieu de Rivière-du-Loup Hospital is 50 kilometers away. Now here's what $12,000 buys you in a place like this. A 1-story detached structure of 545 square feet. She built in 1960, 65 years old. 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. The layout, a kitchen at 9 9/10 by 9.5, a living room at 15 and 2/5 by 9 and 3/10, a second living space at 10 by 9 and 7/10, a bedroom at 9 and 3/5 by 9 and 7/10, and a bathroom at 9 and 7/10 by 5 and 3/10. The exterior is pressed fiber with an asphalt shingle roof, electric heating, wood cupboards, PVC windows with sliding windows. The listing describes the structural condition as good, solid bones, ready for a second life. And then the detail that defines this property. It is listed as a déménager, meaning this structure is available to be moved to the land of your choice. No sewage system is connected, and no lot is included in the purchase. What you are buying is the structure itself. Now, the reality check, here's the thing about a structure you can move. The buyer is not limited by the location of the lot. Someone who already owns land, rural land, a wooded lot, acreage in Bas-Saint-Laurent, could place this structure on their property for $12,000 and have a 545 square foot building with solid bones as a starting point. The listing suggests it specifically. Hunting cabin, secondary residence, or primary home depending on your needs. For someone who already has the land and has been trying to figure out what to put on it, $12,000 for a structure in good structural condition is a different kind of conversation. 327 days on the market, which tells you the buyer for this property is specific. But when that buyer finds it, the math works in a way that very few listings at any price can offer. Who this is for? Anyone who already owns rural land in Quebec and wants a structure to place on it without building from scratch. Hunters or outdoor enthusiasts looking for a cabin base in Bas-Saint-Laurent country who have or can acquire a lot. Anyone who sees a solid 65-year-old structure for $12,000 and has the land and the logistics to make use of it. There are places in Canada where you can own a piece of land in a community with a school, a hockey rink, a paved street, and a lake 10 minutes away for less than what most Canadians pay in 2 months of rent. The trade-off is distance, cold, and the kind of patience that comes with betting on a place the rest of the country has already decided to move away from. But for some people who decided to think differently about the map, that's not a trade-off. That's the whole point. Every listing in this video is real and active on Realtor.ca at the time of recording. MLS numbers are on screen and in the description below. Do your own due diligence. Get inspections. In Lafleche, confirm furnace and electrical costs at $214 before any offer. In Burstall, get a professional assessment of the basement before you close. In Saint-Valérien, confirm moving logistics and municipal permit requirements before making any decisions. Don't buy a house because a guy on YouTube told you it was cheap. Which property would you actually buy? Drop it in the comments. I'm genuinely curious, and if you want more videos like this at real listings, real prices, no fluff, subscribe and hit the bell. We do this every week and the listings change fast.